Hi everyone.
Today I'm doing walkie-talkie.
That's the sensory activity you picked?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So I'll show you.
This is really good for proprioception and his vestibular,
Ow.
which is his balance.
Whoa.
Good job. I really like this brand because they bounce indoors, but they also bounce outside. And Ricky's balance on this has really improved. When he first started, he would just fall off of it and get frustrated. What do you think of it, Ricky?
Good. It's thumbs up. It's 5 because that means it's the best. And that means it's
5 stars, huh?
Yeah, it's 5 because it's really, really fun and it's really, really bouncy.
Yeah, and these balls come in all different sizes. There's a size smaller, and then they're big enough for adults to do.
Yeah, they're big enough for little kids, and they're big for
And for really big kids, huh?
and for really big kids.
And for grown-ups.
And for grown-ups.
And they don't pop, even when you use them outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's look at what the name is on the back, so everybody can see what brand they are. Because this is like one of the toughest ones right here. This is from Wallaky. And they make them heavy duty. Okay, so that's what our review is today.
And
Say
what?
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching my video. If you want to subscribe to more of my videos, please know down below. Bye!